Imagine cutting your AI inference time in half without doubling your power bill. That's exactly what NVIDIA's new H20 Inference chip promises. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how this silicon powerhouse delivers blistering performance for your most demanding AI workloads and why it could be the game changer your data center has been waiting for. NVIDIA claims the H20 delivers up to 30 teraflops of INT8 inference performance. To put that in perspective, a typical CPU gives you around 1 teraflop in the same configuration. In practical terms, that means what used to take 120 milliseconds per image on a CPU drops to just 12 milliseconds on the H20, 10 times faster at a fraction of the power consumption. So, what's under the hood? First, the H20 is built on NVIDIA's latest Hopper architecture. You get new Transformer Engine tensor cores specifically optimized for mixed precision workloads, plus 700 gigabytes per second of memory bandwidth, enough to keep those cores fed even when you're crunching massive models. And with 64 gigabytes of HBM3 memory on chip, you can load entire large language or vision models without spilling over to slower DRAM. But raw speed isn't everything. Latency consistency is critical for real-time applications like conversational AI, online recommendation engines, and automated trading. The H20 delivers sub-15 millisecond tail latency at scale, so your users never experience lag. And because inference power is measured in performance per watt, you're looking at more than twice the efficiency of the previous Gen A100, translating directly into lower data center energy costs. Now, let's talk integration. NVIDIA offers full support through its TensorRT SDK, so you can take a PyTorch or TensorFlow model, run it through TensorRT optimization, and push it to the H20 with a single command. Need multi-instance GPU MIG slices? No problem. Up to 7 independent partitions let you consolidate workloads and maximize utilization. What about real-world benchmarks? In an internal test on ResNet 50 image classification, the H20 clocked 8,000 images per second, over double the throughput of an A100. In BERT-based NLP inference, throughput jumped from 2,500 sequences per second on A100 to 5,200 on H20. And if you're running recommendation models like DLRM, the H20 pushes past 150 million recommendations per second, unlocking next-level personalization at scale. Finally, let's look at use cases. When latency matters, think live video analytics, autonomous robotics, or interactive AI services. The H20's combination of high throughput and low tail latency shines. And for cloud providers offering AI inference as a service, the improved performance per dollar and performance per watt metrics translate to higher margins and more competitive pricing. In summary, NVIDIA's H20 inference chip is a leap forward. 30 TFLOPS of INT8 power, massive memory bandwidth, sub-15 milliseconds tail latency, and seamless integration with TensorRT and MIG.